What's happening? It's your man Don Bucks. Welcome to Cheef and Chart live trading edition. Brought to you by Rapid Dough, the home of money conversations and solutions. Let's see what we got here. So, Baba. We're looking at Baba, and it looks like she dropped below a support. Let's draw it. This is the daily. All right. Boom. So it dropped below this support line. And it looks like it wants to test it and continue down. Why? Because the MACD is below the zero line, as well as the signal line. The signal line crossed below. So those are two negatives. Below the zero line, as well as the signal line. This blue line crossed down. That's negative. So I'm looking for further downside as this tests this resistance. Now, if it breaks this resistance, that's a whole nother story. So that's bye-bye. Let's take a look at AMD. So AMD, I told y'all, once it dropped below a certain point, I was getting out. And it did. It did. And you have to get out when your edge is gone. Remember I said the edge leaves, the edge left. So I had to get out of that. And you should too, if your edge disappears. What is your edge? Your edge is the high probability of something happening. So we know those parameters. And we don't see our edge. So we had to get out of that. Here we have it. Looks like it wants to bounce. It didn't completely drop below this support line here. But this is the opening bell. It's 9:31. Let's see what it wants to do. We are also in QCOM till October, which is a leap. And y'all know how I feel about leaps. QCOM. So QCOM looks like it wants to cool off for a little bit, but at the same time, we have a momentum divergence, even though it's below the zero line. We do have a momentum divergence as of yesterday. And yeah, it looks like she wants to go. She wants to go. She wants to consolidate, I believe. I believe it's going to consolidate around this 112 area before continuing up. That's what I believe. So we're in a 120, I believe 120. 120 call till October. I believe that's going to happen. What y'all think? Being that it's way down from where it was. Look where it was back here. This was last July. It was 150. So it has a lot of room to make up. Right? So we have a 120 strike price for October. So what is that? 5 months out. Excuse me. So we're going to be holding it for at least 2 months, 2.5 months max. Because we hold the contracts for half the duration of our expiration. So let me see what quant data is talking about this morning, because y'all know you need quant data as another set of eyes. What do I mean by that? Look at this. It tells you where the money is going. So these are short-term contracts. It looks like June 2nd expiring. So they holding this joint for a day. If that. It might be in and out. But this is what's going on in real time. Real-time options flow. Look at that 175. So yeah, this is another set of eyes. Because without it, how would you know where the money is going? Right. This is how we see what's coming through real time. Anybody got any specific stocks they want me to look at? Throw them in the comments section, and I'll tackle them the next session. Beyond Meat is only $11. Damn. A lot of stuff came down since COVID days. Stuff was going crazy. Stuff was going crazy. We got some NVIDIA calls. The semiconductor sector is lit right now. I must say, that's one of the reasons why I'm in QCon. Excuse me. AMD puts. Real-time options flow. So what happens is you can see it come through. And if you see something that stands out, like back to back, look at this, back to back stuff, you could take it to your chart. You're not going to blindly take their play. You're going to take it to the chart and see what they see. Or try to see what they see. That's the whole thing. You don't blindly take what you see come through. You get ideas. Like if you see, look at this. Tesla. Down here. You're like, wait a minute, what's going on with this? If you're into these short-term contracts, I'm not. This should expire tomorrow. So they on some shit, like they get they in and out today. That's on some day trading shit. I'm good off the day trading. Just put it like that. I don't look to day trade. I look to swing. But if something hits a target in the same day, I'll sell it the same day. But I'm not hopping in. And look at this. See what I mean? Look at this. All these Teslas just came through. But Tesla puts came through. Same day expiration. So those folks probably hopped in, took profit, and now they're doing puts. They did calls, and now they're doing puts. I believe that's what happened. You dig? Let's go back to this chart. Yeah, QCOM is consolidating. Consolidating means trading sideways. When something is trading sideways, it's neither going up or down. This looks like it wants to bounce. Look, it's bouncing off of the support line. Next level up is 126. No. Next level up, 122. And 21. Mhm. 20. See, it went extreme on the Bollinger Band to the bottom. See that? The bottom of this Bollinger Band. Anything at the bottom has to come up. Anything at the top has to come down. So not only is at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, but it's also bouncing off the support line. So that plus that equals a bounce. But I need another one. I need another reason. And my reason, I look for that red bar on a momentum divergence. And I don't see it. I see a reason to do a put right now. Because signal line is crossed down, new low on the MACD with the green bar. So that's a momentum divergence to the downside. Right. So this is not an A1 setup. It's not an A1 setup. You follow? Because how could it be? The chances of it going down at this support is not high because it's already at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, right? So what's the chances of it going down? We don't, it's slim chances. We don't know because we do see a momentum divergence, but it's sitting on support. So we don't know if it's going to break support or not. You know what I'm saying? So this is not a high probability setup. Because it can go either way. But as far as here, see what I'm saying? The next level up is 120 with this curve down MACD. So a curve down MACD is not a good sign. So once again, it's not a high probability setup. All right. You see what I'm saying? So that's that. Let's go back to quant data, see if we see anything interesting. And come through consecutively. Like Google. Google wants to go to 126. Let's check Google out. Boom. Let me get this stuff out of here so we can see and redraw. I'm gonna redraw these lines. So horizontal. So boom. So we're sitting on support. Yep. Sitting on support. Six, yep. Let's go to 126. But I don't think it's a high probability setup. Let's see. Nope, it's not. Consolidation. See how it's trading sideways? I definitely think it wants to go to 126. Just went above that support, mean resistance. Next level up is 126. So we need a red bar because this is not a high probability setup either. Look at this. I need this signal line above the blue line. I need the blue line above. And this is, yeah. See, this is crossing down. This is not high probability. See what I'm saying? This is crossing down. We need it to not be crossing down. But I definitely think it's going to 126, but I'm not taking this play because it's not high probability in my book. I definitely think it's going to 126 for somebody to take it. I'm not taking it. The quant data. Yeah, see? expiring tomorrow. That's why they're getting in and out, because it's not high probability. This one should expire on the 9th. 125 call. Another one just came through. 130 call. Expiring on the 9th. Google 130. Another Google 128. June 16th. See, when you start seeing stuff like this come through, then you can be like, I want to take that. See, look, another Google 128, June 16th. June 16th. That's the next level up. I seem to believe that that's where it's going. But here we go. We need to pull back. We need a red bar. We need a red bar. Due for one, because this is extreme. Due for a red bar. And that would complete the momentum divergence on a 15-minute. Yeah. See, on the 5-minute, we had a momentum divergence as well. So we have a momentum divergence on the 5-minute. We need a red bar to pull back in order to get in. There you go. There you go. Y'all see it? Just popped up. So it needs to come back in. That's the pullback to 128, right? 26. Right there. Come on in. Come on in. Pardon my silence, but I'm sizing up whether I want to take this play or not. I am really sizing this John up. Yeah. So I just took it. I took that Google, just hopped in it on this break. On the break of that resistance and on that red bar pullback. I took the June 16th, so I put some time on it. Being that today is Thursday, give it some time to get to 126. I believe it's going. I believe it's going. We're in a positive already. But y'all seen what I seen, heard my thought process. I'm in this. I got a June 16th expiration, 126 strike. And yeah, that's the next level up. 126 is the next level up. Probably take profit at 125.50. All right. So hopefully I got some value out of that. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe button. If you have a stock you want me to check out and go over live, throw it in the comments section. Make sure you got your checklist. That link is in the description of this channel. So you can go through the steps that I go through. I don't do nothing different. You'll see once you have the checklist that I go through exactly that every play. All right. That being said, it's your man Don Bucks. See y'all tomorrow.